Sadly, we will see more deaths and more suffering before we are able to bring the virus under control and to see the end of the pandemic. The latest information that I have from our NHS shows that we have passed the milestone of having more than 1,000 coronavirus-related cases in our hospitals in Wales. That's an 18% increase on the number of people in hospital from last Sunday and the highest number since June. This number includes people with confirmed and suspected coronavirus and people who are recovering. The number of confirmed cases has risen to 616. That is the highest since the 24th of May and is up 26% on last Sunday. We are moving very swiftly towards the April peak, the point at which the NHS came very close to being overwhelmed. But in the spring, we had already postponed all planned operations and appointments. If we carry on at this rate, we will reach that same point within a matter of weeks. The number of people being treated in our critical care units with coronavirus has also risen sharply since last week. There are 56 people in critical care with coronavirus. That is up 40%. Overall, we have 172 people in critical care beds across Wales. This is 20 more than the usual number of beds the NHS would have. The NHS has already started to increase critical care capacity and has planned to expand to 292 beds if needed. But this type of expansion comes with real harms. The areas which are transformed tend to be theatres and recovery rooms. Turning them into critical care areas means we need to bring staff in from other parts of the hospital, and our ability to maintain surgery becomes even more squeezed and reduced. That in turn has a direct impact on patient care and people's lives. This is not an easy time for any of us in Wales. For the next 2 weeks, we must all live with a new and very tough set of regulations. These place serious restrictions on our daily lives. The rules are here to protect all of us. They are here to help our NHS, and they are in place to save lives. Over the coming 2 weeks, we are going to be asking extraordinary things from every single person in Wales as we live with the firebreak. But above all, we're asking for your help. This is not something that the government can do alone. It's only with your help that we will be able to break the cycle of transmission and reset the mounting harm that is being caused by the virus.